Are you ready for another adventure at Magic Kingdom Park in Orlando, Florida? Today we're going to be checking out the new attractions, including the Country Bear Jamboree and Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Stay tuned because you're watching Holmes Away from Home. Welcome back, everybody, and welcome to Disney's Magic Kingdom. That's right, we're here today wanting to check out some of the new attractions, including the Tiana's Bayou Adventure, along with the grand reopening of one of my favorite shows, the Country Bear Jamboree. So we jumped on the beautiful train, went all over to Frontierland, and our first stop is going to be the Country Bear Jamboree. Even though it was the grand reopening, I was anticipating a really long line, but it really wasn't too bad. We were able to get in under about 15 to 20 minutes, so not a horrible time frame, but we were excited because it was nice air-conditioned building once you get in through some of the corridors there. But it was an awesome show, and I got a couple clips for you, but I don't want to ruin the whole show for you, so I only filmed a little bit just to give you a little bit of taste. But it's definitely got some great sounds, some brand new upbeat Disney music, which awesome addition to the already cool lineup of the Country Bears. But, well, don't take my word for it. Check it out. Well, what do you think?
Show's almost ready to begin. For five bears who need no introduction, but I'll give them one anyway. Let's hear it for the Five Bear Rocks. Hit it! Fish, you're making me hungry. Not me, I'm stuffed. Yeah. Okay.
Shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide? I can open your eyes.
Just don't let it make you cry. Too sad, I can't go home.
What an amazing show. Definitely worth checking out. So when you're at Disney's Magic Kingdom, make sure you go over and watch this brand new show. Next thing, we dropped into Disney's Golden Oak Outpost. This is another option where you can go in. It's a little bit of a quick service, I guess you would say, but it's right there by Tiana's Bayou Adventure. And today we were able to try out some hot honey chicken and sweet potato fries, along with shrimp gumbo with sweet potato fries. And of course, when you're in Tiana's area, you can't go without Tiana's famous beignets. And of course, to cool down a little bit, we tried a little bit of lavender lemonade on this beautiful sunny day. All right, you know what we're going through right now. We're waiting for Tiana's Bayou Adventure to come up available on the virtual queue. Less than a minute away. Been doing unfortunate wasn't able to snag it, but today's our day. I think we're going to try to get it. It's so hot here in Central Florida right now. It's the middle of July, of course, but we're waiting. Got both of our phones ready to go. Playing double tap on this guy. Let's see if we can snag one by the night. Any second now. It's always like a game in itself when you're just waiting for that last possibility. You literally have to be on it that quick. And we got it.
You got it?
Yes, we do. Sweet. Well, you know, it's not always easy to grab those virtual line queues. And you know what? We were fortunate enough that we weren't able to do the morning one, but we were able to snag one at the 1 p.m. marker. Sometimes you don't always get that lucky, but definitely worth a trying. And like I said, a big suggestion I would take is if you got multiple people, make sure you're using multiple devices all logged into the same account and just continue trying, and hopefully one of you get to do it. Well, since we had a little bit of time, one of the big things I wanted to try to do is hit a couple classic Disney rides, and there's nothing more classic than the Hall of Presidents. So we walked over and took in another Hall of Presidents presentation. And of course, it's always wonderful just to be able to sit indoors in the middle of July. Man, that air conditioning feels wonderful. And hey, it's free of charge. I love that about it.
Franklin D. Roosevelt, paralyzed by polio, knows how to restore the faith of a people paralyzed by the Great Depression.
I believe in practical explanation and in practical policy.
George Washington.
Well, you already know the drill. Every time we get an opportunity to check out a Christmas store at a theme park, well, we've got to do it. No exception here at Disney's Magic Kingdom. Let's go check out the Old Christmas Shop.
Right now we're on our way to Tomorrowland, which is one of my favorites. It's got all the sci-fi spots, but you used to have Stitch Escape, but that's obviously not there no more. But the rest of it's still pretty cool. Let's go check it out. When you talk about classic Disney rides here at Magic Kingdom, one of the favorite I've always loved is the People Mover. It gives you the ability to cool off on a hot day, but also gives you the ability to see all the new extras that they've built around the park. So it takes you to about 3 or 4 different attractions and through the inside and behind the scenes a little bit. So let's go check that out real quick. So, well, we've decided to take a little break, kind of beat the heat a little bit here in Central Florida. It's obviously really hot when you're here at Disney World, but you know, staying hydrated is a big important part of it. But also, you gotta treat yourself every once in a while to a little bit of Mickey bar ice cream. So, one of my personal favorites. If you haven't had one in a while, you'll know as soon as you take a bite out of that guy, the whole world changes. One of the best items here at Disney. One of my favorite all-time snacks. Can't go wrong with that. So we just finished up with a late lunch, kind of early dinner, I guess you would say, at Pecos Bill Cafe. Got the old classic burger, and we've got a couple of fajitas, and it was really dark in here, so we really didn't have to worry about trying to take pictures of food or video of that. So now we're waiting for the Bayou ride later, so we're going to do Adventureland real quick, jump on Pirates of the Caribbean. It has less than a 35-minute wait, I think. So we just got off the ride here at Pirates of the Caribbean, and it looks like we've actually got our call up for the Tiana's Adventure. So we're heading over there. So we're gonna get a little wet, but that's fine. hands down an amazing ride. Boy, do we get wet though. I tell you what, they say you might get wet. No, you get wet. I sat in the front, got some great footage, but boy, it was a blast.
Another exciting day here at Disney's Magic Kingdom. I hope you guys enjoyed the ride with us, and we'll see you next time on the next adventure of Holmes Away from Home.